and everything. Now, anyone have questions now? Now tell me, I will explain. So guys, if anyone have questions, theory related or subject related, ask me in class. Only if you are facing error in terms of programming, then only share the screenshots. So why? Because we can connect in class. Why? Because see, almost some today you people are almost 50 and one more batch parallelly running, some 120, 30, 130 people. I don't know exactly count, but so almost more than 100 people. So almost this 160 people, I'm the point of contact for any error, right? And similarly, mm, not only here, so some people already completed C# or .NET from me. So in previous months, they will also connect with me. See, per day some 200 people or something. I mean, not if all 200 people will connect with me, but see, some people will connect with me. But I am POC for them, right? That's why. And that is from training level I'm saying. And in my project, I'm a lead there, and some 20 people are working with me. So see, I'll see if someone gets doubt, I'm the person who needs to clarify them. That's why. So if you have any questions related to a subject, ask me in class. So if you are unable to ask for yesterday, note down that question and ask me next class. Then what will happen? Nothing will happen, right? But program related, if you get the error, so if you try to solve on your own for some time. If you are unable to solve that, just send me the screenshot. Don't waste the time. Okay, so that if you are not getting output or something, then you will be disappointed, and you don't get the interest for practice on the programming. But if you don't practice on programs, there will be no use of learning something. So that's why I suggest you guys, so just practice and get back to me. So if anyone have issues, I'm ready to help there. Okay, fine. So that's it. So now a conditional statement. So now simple if. Now, what is the syntax for declaring if condition is? So see, here we have simple if, that means normal if else, nested if, nested else if. I will explain each and every concept clearly. So before that, we'll go for first we will go with simple if. Okay. Okay, guys, here simple if. The syntax for simple if is if condition open brace and close brace. So do you people, anyone know what will happen here? Anyone know what will happen? Yes means you need to tell man, Naveen. Anyone know? Answer. So anyone know what will happen here? Okay. Okay. So good guess, guys. So see, I will tell the answer. Okay. Fine. No need. Very good. Very good, guys. Good going. So you people are responding very well compared to one of my other batch. Okay. So see here, I will tell. Simple. If the condition is true, then it will execute the if block statements. So what is if block statements means? The code inside the brackets. So what is that? For example I will give. Example: a equal to 20, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now, if, what is the syntax? If condition, right? So b less than a, then as per the syntax, console dot write line b is greater than a. That's it. That's it. So now what I will do here is, now tell me, is this condition satisfied, true or false? So simple, 10 less than 20. Is that true? That is true. 20 is greater than 10. Okay. So now I will keep like this. Now tell me, is this true now? Okay, fine. So, okay. See, for our if condition is true, then it will execute. But what will happen if the condition is false? Anyone tell me here? For simple, if I'm telling, what will happen if condition fails here? Simple. Correct. Correct. So it don't do anything. It don't do anything. Okay. Don't do anything. Okay. Okay. So it don't do anything. So here, if the condition is true, then only it will execute. If the condition is false, it don't care about anything. It will come out of that if block. That's it. So see, what we are discussing here, we are discussing about if condition. We are not discussing about else, if else. So if else is separate concept. Okay. If whenever simple, if what it will do means, if the condition is true, then it will execute. If the condition is false, it don't execute anything. That's it. So this is what simple if. Okay. So guys, just take this one, conditional statements, and so keep a heading of conditional statements. Okay. So after that, just conditional statements and note down this. Okay, done. Okay, so whatever you are able to see on notepad, just note down up to here. So I have given syntax here and one example. We will see the program example after completion of this. No. So if you are done, then only. If someone confirm me, then only. Okay. Okay, we'll see one example for that. Okay. So see what we have given here. So see, if A is less than B, okay, so then we are printing this one. So for this statement, what is happening? Now tell me. So A less than B, that means 20 less than 30. So condition is true. That's why it will go to if black. Okay, just well, let's see. So condition is successful and we got the output, right? So similarly, you change the condition now. Now condition got failed. 200 less than 30. So that means what? So 200 is always greater than, right? That's why condition will be failed. So it is not showing any input. See, because we don't have any else plug, that's why it is not showing anything. So are you clear, guys? Any questions? Okay. Similarly, what we will do, we will write a program with some command prompt. So same program, I'm trying to enter. So I'm trying to enter two values from command prompt. Okay, based upon condition, it will execute the output. Okay, let's see. Enter A value 20, enter B value 30. Now condition got failed. That's why it is not showing anything. Got it? So we here also. Okay. So now what we will do? we'll write 20 30 30 20 now. Enter a value 30, enter b value 20. See, big is a. Why? Because here the condition got satisfied. So got it, guys? Any questions in this program? Okay, just note down the program. So once you people are done, just confirm me their message there so that I will know like you people are done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I am Sora speaking. I would like to ask you why you write a console.readline after the if condition. Why not in inside the if condition after
Yeah.
console write line?
Here you are saying.
Yes, sir.
So you need to write whenever you feel the end of statement or end of the program. Before that, you need to always write the console.readline. So if you are having one more if condition or if you have else condition, so then you need to keep one console.write line read line in if block and one read line in else block. And if you are adding more read lines, sorry, if you are adding more conditions and all, then you need to add console.read line everywhere. So it's not a good practice. That's why we always write a console.read line in the last statement of the program, so that will so minimize your code. That's why.
But sir, here we are only writing if condition, not if else. So
See, of course, that, but the thing is, if you write here, so that what people will do, some people will do like, when they are writing for other program or something, then again they will think like, so maybe we can write here, or we can our sir wrote there, so that's why I want to keep here itself or something. See, always if you go for a good coding practice, that's the better way, right? That's why I'm telling. So you can keep anywhere, you can do 100 times, whatever it may be, but the thing is, so we need to follow the good coding practice. That's why we always keep this console write read line in the last line of the program, so that what will happen, so you will think like, okay, so that will be the end, and only one read line will be enough. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll move to next topic. Okay, so we'll move to our next program. So if else, see, the drawback of the previous program is, if the condition is true, that is fine, but if the condition is false, then we are not printing anything, right? So in order to avoid that, we have one more concept, that is what if else. So simple. What is if else? So if else is nothing but if condition statements. That's it. Now go here, else statements. So here you need, what you people needs to remember here is, if the condition is true, then it will give the output. Okay, if the condition is false, so whatever the statements are there in else block, it will execute that. It don't care about what statements we wrote there. It don't care about what output we wrote there. It don't care about anything. So simply it will just return the output. So please, people, go on mute. Okay. So see, that if else is nothing but if the condition is true, that is fine. Otherwise, what it is doing, it is going to else block. Okay. So just take this example, this statement. Take this syntax. We'll see one example for that. Okay, done. So can we move to program? Okay. So same program I will modify. Else. Okay. So console.writeLine. So A is big. Big is A means here we what will write? Big is B. We'll write like that. Okay. So see, now let's run the program. Enter A value 56. Enter B value 89. Now, from where it came? Which block? Else block, right? Big is B. Okay. So this came from else block. Is it clear? So similarly, I will try to make the condition true. First condition. Enter the A value. Big is A, right? So 89, 40, 56. Big is A. From where? Which block this came? This is from if block. Yes or no? First block. So, for example, sir, because B is big, that's why it went to else block. See, I will write some garbage here. See, I will write something like, how are you? So now what will happen if the condition fails? It will print, how are you? Okay, let's see what will happen. So 45, 89. Now see what it is printing. So how are you? It is printing, right? Now people say, observe here. So it don't care about what code we have in our else block. Simply if the condition fail, then it will execute that block. That's it. Okay. So this is what if else. So any questions here? So Balaji, see, now what I will do, I will remove this console.writeLine, read line here. Tell me what will happen. enter a value 12, 23 and enter a value. So observe here clearly, Balaji. What happened? Are you able to see the output? So Balaji, if you answer this question, I will answer, man. I know, I understood your question. So what happened there? Tell me. So we are getting output, but we are unable to read the output. Is that correct? Yes. So similarly, what you are doing here, you are entering one value here. Okay. You are entering one value here. So by default, which format it will take when you are entering value in a comment? So string. Perfect. So it is accepting like a string. That's why we are doing unboxing. So unboxing or typecasting, anything you can do, anything is fine. Okay. So you enter the value and you are doing some typecasting. After that, if you don't read the value here, then what will happen? So whatever we happen here, the same thing will happen. So it won't hold the value. Okay. So that's why we need to always read the value at the time of typecasting only. That's why we kept like that. Or not only typecasting, whenever we are entering some value, so after successfully entering the value, we need to read that particular value and we need to move to next line. That's why we need to keep the read line. So got it now? Yes or no? Okay. So can you people please note down this program? What, Shishri? You did not got it. What happened? Yeah, Shishri, go ahead. What is your question? So done with the program? See, day by day, days passing, the programs are increasing. If you people don't practice, na, so if you people don't practice, then that will that will affect you guys. Okay. So see, this program is, there is nothing in Notepad, man. So only syntax. So if you don't practice, see, if in this mathematics, when your teacher is teaching that mathematics, that will look like very much easy. Okay, you will feel like I can understand everything. But when you go for exam, if you don't practice those sums and all, then you don't get even a single output. If you are a class topper also, you don't get the output for sure. So similarly, the programming, when your sir is teaching, so you will think like everything you are able to understand. But listening is different and practicing is different. So that's why I always suggest you guys to practice each and every program. Then, so see, when you practice, you will get hundreds of errors. So now raise your hands. How many people practiced all the programs, whatever I explained till yesterday? 2, 3. You can raise your hands here like this. So if you so I will just consider the hands raised count only. 18. What is this claps? 19, 20, 21. 21, 22, 24. Akash. So see.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Who is this?
I'm Suraj, sir. Again.
Yes.
Uh, for if else condition, is it necessary to write in unboxing concept or?
Okay. So first point. Forget about if else condition or switch case or something XYZ. So how the command prompt will take the input? If you enter something, you entered some number now. So how the command prompt will take the input? Tell me. In which data type? Suraj.
For that we have to
No. Answer that, man. Yeah. Tell me, in which format?
in number format.
No, I entered this. I entered 88 here. So now, on which format command prompt will accept this one? So forget about integer, forget about something. On which format? On which data type?
String.
String, right? So
Yes.
that's it. So there it is. So now you want to perform, you want to check. See, we cannot check two strings 88. See, 88 is a string or 99 is a string. Can we check which is greater here? See, both are equal. So this one and this one,
Yes.
both are equal.
Yes.
Now tell me.
No,
These
sir.
were no. Why? Because this is string.
As
So,
for the string, it is equal, sir.
yeah, as per the length or something, they are fine. So so just think about numbers only. So if these two are numbers and these two are, we don't know what is this. Maybe ASCII values it will consider, or maybe it will check the string length or something. But what will happen here? So this is different and this is different. That is why we always need, if we are trying to enter some value from command prompt, okay, then we always needs to do typecasting or unboxing. So it's mandatory.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes. Name?
Akash, hello, sir.
Yeah, Akash, tell me.
When you are in C programming, no, your user input for that you are using scanf, and in C sharp you are using this method, no. Second.
Console.read line.
No. Second one, integer a equal to integer dot pass.
Okay.
So we are using for the user input, no, sir.
Correct.
Okay.
So
sir.
here user is, you are asking user to enter a value. Perfect, Akash. Whatever you told, that is correct. So this is like scanf only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Correct. So that is like a scanf only. But anyway, see, some people don't know C language. That's why I'm not telling. See, if some people don't know C language, if they don't know what is scanf now. That's why I'm not telling scanf and all. But whatever you told, that is correct. See, there also, whenever you are entering value based upon data type. See, for example, if it is a integer, then you will use %d. If it is a float, you will use something. If it is something, you will use something, right? Percentile something, right?
Okay.
Do you people remember? So similarly here also same.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So any more questions, guys? So see, after 2-3 classes, I told you people, wait for 4 more classes, then you will just remember and you will, you will follow this standards. Fine. Any questions? So Swaras, you got the answer now. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. I don't know about the command prompt, in which format he will accept. It will accept.
Man, from day one, I'm telling you. Okay, so that will accept by default as string. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will be.
Okay, good. So fine. So any more questions? So someone Okay. So Sushri, I don't know what is your question. So
Why,
you
sir?
got
Sir, why we used to console the deadline
so
in the
just
parts method?
here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your Sushri only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So madam, I just explained. So do you know C language?
Yes, sir.
So there we will use printf. What is the reason for printf? For printing a value. What is
Yes,
what is the reason for scanf? For
Reading the
reading the value. So but see, but when you are doing printf and scanf, based on the data type, you will keep %d, %lf kind of things you will keep, right?
yes, sir.
So see, simple addition program in C language. Okay. So now see, why we are keeping %d here?
The integer value.
So because of integer, right? So
Yes, sir.
that's why we are that's why what we are doing here. So where is it is where it is. So that's why we are simply we are going with unboxing. Okay. So
Yes.
in .NET, so you people know, right, what will happen if I remove this console.read line? See, now I will show you again the output. Just observe and understand. See, everyone listen carefully. If someone knows the answer also, please listen carefully. Why? Because you people are see, just within this last 5 minutes, I explained this concept for 10 times. So enter A value 56, enter B value 89. So I'm just pressing enter now. Then what? So what should happen? We should observe the output, right? It should show the output and it should hold for some time, right? But see, it is not holding the output. It is giving the output, but it is not holding the output. Any reason for that?
Yes, sir.
You don't know the reason?
Yes, sir.
Why?
It's hold the output still.
But so because it did not hold the output, right? What is the reason for that? Do you know?
No, sir.
Because we removed read line here, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So Sri, don't need to worry. So see, no problem. If you are having doubt, I will explain.
No, yes, sir. I am understand.
So now see, because in my previous when I executed previously, I removed the read line. That's why. So
Yes,
now
sir.
we will run this one again. So
Yes,
what
sir.
happened now? I enable the read line. So previously I commented, right? So see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, now we are having the output because so we kept the read line again. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, after entering your value here, you need to hold the output, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we are keeping the read line. So if you don't keep the read line, what happened here, the same thing will happen here also. That's why by default, the syntax is accepting like this. Okay. If you don't keep also, you will get the error. Why? Because you should keep. So it should keep what? We need to hold the output. That's why it is asking us to enter the read line there. So got it?
Yes, sir.
Can I,
Sir, hello.
can I wait? Can I explain again?
No, sir.
You are clear?
Yes, sir. I'm clear.
Okay. Yes. And the other one, who is that?
Akash, sir, here no console.read line. If you are not keeping over there, then program it will be stopped integer. If is there no there, it will be stopped. No, sir. It will be not read.
No. See, if you enter the value, see here itself, the first line only, it will stop there only.
Here only, no.
See, for example, now what I will do. So now what I will do, see, we will do like this. Okay. So so enter a value. After that, I will see what will happen. So I will keep B only here. Okay. Now see, what happened here is I am not reading this value here. Let's see what will happen. Okay,
Yeah.
see, are we able to enter the value here?
Yeah, it will be print over there simply.
It will print, but it's not allowing us
It will be
to.
not take. It will be not read the line, and it will be not take this thing.
Correct.
User.
Okay. Okay. So see, guys, I think this will be answer for everyone. So what happened here? Tell me. Simple. I don't have the read line now. So now see here, what is happening? That become this enter a value become a simple right line only, and it is not showing us to enter anything. That's why it directly came to what? Enter the B value. That's it. Okay, got it? I hope this will be the answer for everyone. So any questions? Now tell me. So we'll wait for 2 minutes. If anyone have questions, I will answer. So practice the if and if else. Tomorrow we'll see nested if, else if, and nested else if. If time permits, we'll also see program on what that switch case also. Yes, any questions? See, if no questions, tell me, I will disconnect the call. That's why. Okay, so I hope everyone is practicing and understanding well. Thanks all for joining. We will meet tomorrow.